Hello, my people. Good day to you all. This is the voice of your favorite Gazu official once again. You're welcome back to the series. So, in this series, by the special grace of God, we're making another simple and amazing flyer. So, let's get started. So, the first thing you're gonna do on this series is to create the background you want to use. The size is actually 1280 by 1280. That normal square size. You understand? So, just click on OK, then continue. So, we are working on the background now. So, you come to the fourth tool here, tap on it. So tap on color. We are not using color. You know, there's color, there's gradient. So this time around we're using gradient. So click on gradient. You're using this gradient. Let me give you the color codes. When you are using gradient, you have one color pad here. There's gonna be another color pad here. So if you want to change the color for this one, you tap on this, then you tap on this color. Where's my pen? They tap on this. You have to tap on this first. That's one. Then you tap on this, making two. You understand? So it is very, very simple. Very, very simple. So you tap on this, then you tap on the color the color picker here. So, and if you want to pick for this second one, you see that there's one there's one ball here. This ball here. This one is picking the color at the base, and this one at the top here is picking the color at the top. So if you click on this, that means you are changing the color from the ball at the top. And if you click on the second one here, that means you are changing the color for the ball below. Do you understand? It is just as simple as that. So the color code for this first one is FFA71B. FFA71B. And that of the second one is FFA946. Just as simple as that. All right. So now work on that. That's first. The next thing is the text. Yeah. Pixelate. So this pixelate, we're gonna make it to be in two lines. So this starting from ULATE will come down. You understand? So let's bring it to the center. All right. Increase the size. Increase the size. Give it padding. Do not forget to give it padding. It's gonna be a quick one. Alignment, left alignment, left. This is center, right, left. You're using left alignment. Okay. So change the font to Montserrat. Montserrat bold. Montserrat bold. Yeah, this one. Montserrat bold. So here, let's reduce the spacing and the line spacing as well. The line spacing as well. Reduce the line spacing as well. Yeah, yeah. Keep it as simple as this. All right. So after that, we are giving it a shadow. You know, this is a kind of yellow orange background and white text on tinted background will not really contrast. So if you want it to contrast well, at least you give it small shadow. So tap on this, then come to the shadow here, enable it. We're using orange shadow. This, what's the color code? The color code is FF5610. FF5610. So it's too much, so we reduce the opacity. It is too much, so we reduce opacity at least 35. Your blur radius is okay at 10. So offset y, let it come down small, like 7. Offset x minus 2. Is it okay this way? Yeah, it's okay this way. Yeah. All right. So after that, we import our background. We import the image we want to use. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Yeah, here's it. Here is it. Something sweet. So bring it down here, centralize it. So bring it down and centralize it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now this picture plate, we're gonna shift it up a bit. What's the size of this text? 183. Size of this image is 66% by 83%. I'm telling you this so that it will make your own work faster. You understand? So free class, capital letter, free class. Bring it down here. So give it padding. Do not forget, it's very important. change the font. I change the font to Montserrat bold as well. Montserrat bold. All right. Decrease the spacing. Decrease the spacing. Yeah, minus 10. Minus 10. All right. So probably we're going to reduce the size now. Yeah, let's make it 20. So we'll now import a round shape around it, just to like emphasize on that text. You understand? So we're just using that to emphasize on that text. Free class. Yeah, this. All right. So let it come around that free class. Yeah, bring it down. Yeah. All right. So after that, this lady, she's sitting on the floor, but there's no shadow feel to make it even look like it is view. So we need to like give it a shadow effect. You understand? So click on the image, shift it here a bit, let the image come forward, tap to front. Yeah. So now your sticker, tap on your sticker. Remember, if you click on this enable enable my icon here, it will disappear to that. Just tap on the screen, pam, then tap on it again, increase the size. So we now change the color to black. Yeah. So increase the size and decrease the height. Bring it here, send it to the back, can you see it's showing at the back now? Now reduce the opacity small. Yeah, reduce the opacity small. 32. Yeah. Yeah, so that's better, like much better. So we can bring it down small, yeah, so that I can perform the purpose we want it to perform. Let's shift top small. Yeah. Yeah, so there should be a kind of shadow reflection around the image to make it look real, like no, this is view. All right. So now after that, we need a shape here. We need a shape here for our call to action. We call it CTA. Yeah. So we give it orange as well. This orange. What's the color code for that orange? What's the color code for that orange? FF5610. FF5610. So the same color code. What's the size? 89 by 7. Centralize it. So after that, you come to the shadow, give it, enable the shadow a bit, decrease the opacity of that shadow, make it like 25 or 20. So you can see it here. I'm having 19 here. So enable it. So your offset Y, bring it down like 6 or 7. Offset X, like, let me make it 2. Yeah, that's 2. Then enable it. So you make use of your relative position to centralize it. Let it be at the center. All right. Yeah, bring it out like this. Okay, so you now make a text on it, and the text is, to join us, send pixelate to +234 9030 75 70 19. Yeah, so decrease the size. Okay, bring it down here. We can use our sizes here. Decrease the size, make it clear enough. Yeah, I think 23 is okay. We're going to change the font now actually. So make use of a padding, increase the padding both left and right. All right. So change the font to Montserrat bold. Montserrat bold. Yeah. So now you centralize it. Use your relative position to centralize it. The size is too much. Yeah. 21 is okay. 21 is okay. So it will balance in that shape and also balance properly. It's giving the vibe now. All right. So now what we're going to do now is that we want to give that background a kind of texture feel. It looks somehow free, like too free. You understand? So I want to give it the kind of texture feel here. So what's that saying? So I'll download the background. I'll show you how to make use of that. Yes, because like this background is kind of white and ash. You understand? But we need it to give us a kind of orange feel on this yellow background. So what we're gonna do? So come to erase color here. Tap on erase color. Enable it. You can see that the white part of that background has already been deleted already. So just increase the size a bit, like 10. All right, the tolerance like 10. Okay. So now come to change color. Change the color to that orange, this orange that we used earlier for FF5610. All right. So now increase the size, then send it to the back, to the extreme end back. All right. Now reduce the opacity, something around 17, 18 will be very okay. Yeah. So come back and lock everything so that your hands won't be moving it around. Can you see? Can you see? Now, what next? This our background. You can see that our background is having a kind of great look from behind. You understand? So it's not as free as it was. Yeah. There's one more text. Welcome to Pixellab. Welcome to, yeah. So and we're gonna give this padding and change the font. So increase, give it padding. All right. So change the font to autograph. I told you guys to download that font, autograph. Yeah. So just bring it here, bring it here. Yeah. So what's the size of that text? 64. That's all right. So come to shadow. Let's give it small shadow. It's gonna be black shadow actually. So reduce the gradient level. So offset x should come down. X should come here. That's -3 and 5. The shadow is 20. Yeah. Blurry is 10, and that's quite all right. So bring it down small because I want that shadow to reflect on the text. Yeah. Yeah. You can keep it this way or we shift it up just a bit. Yeah. So welcome to Pixellab free class. You understand? It is just as simple as that. All right. So what I want us to do over here initially was that this image the image is blending with the background actually. There's kind of orange feel on that image. So we need to like make it blend. You understand? So come to your draw tool here. We need a yellow, a yellow orange color. So let's select a yellow orange color here. Yeah, something around here. Yeah, yellow orange here. So the color code is FFB61C. You don't have to stress yourself the way I'm doing my own. I'm giving you the code FFB61C. Okay, okay. All right. So increase the pen size to like 15. Then smoothness is okay. Blur radius, increase the size. Now come here, come here. You are working on that air. Just trace it, trace it, trace it, trace it like that. Trace it like that. Trace it like that. Trace it like that. Cancel it, okay. Yeah, that's too much, but we'll reduce the size. Come to opacity, we have reduced the opacity. Yeah, yeah. So something around 30 will be very okay. Yeah, 30 will be very okay. It's blending already. It's blending already. Even though it's showing on that text. But at least we've achieved what we want to achieve. So when you save your design, take it to Lightroom to finish your work, you see that it has blended perfectly the way we want it to blend. So now let's save it now and take it to Lightroom for a final edit. All right, guys, welcome back to Lightroom. So we want to finish our edit here. So come to light here, increase the contrast a bit, just small, not that much. Yeah, 10. So come to color grading, are giving it the kind of orange. We're giving it the kind of orange yellow feel here, or orange yellow feel here, but shouldn't be that much here. So I'm lightening it up. You can say it is still on that orange, but I don't want it to be that deep, something tinted. So the hue now is 11 degree, while the saturation is 7. As simple as that. All right. So tap on done. So come to effect, where we increase the texture, the grain, give it grain for more quality. Roughness shouldn't be that much. Yeah, I don't need saturation. This is like I don't need to add more sharpening because the image is even sharp already. Can you see? Like the quality of that image is really really cool. So then we save our project, and that's it. So I'll send you guys the resources to replicate your own as well. See you on the next one.